What's going on, guys? We're here with another video. It's windy as hell here in Houston. Kind of cold, so we're gonna try to get this video out quick. But I know it's been a while since we've been having uploaded a video. Just been going through some things, and I ain't done much to the car, or actually I ain't done nothing to the car besides the broken lip. You got a Cuzzo here. Right here, you got there's a cord right over there as well. You ain't done nothing to the car since, right?
Dirty.
But we are gonna be doing something with it today. I actually got some carbon fiber mirrors, some real carbon fiber mirror caps from Synth Carbon. So let me show you what those look like. All right, so these are the mirror caps right here. So it just goes right over it, right over the OEM ones. I'm sorry, I get the quality to pick it up. But these are the real ones from Synth Carbon. I know you can buy some on eBay. They're probably like what, 40 bucks, Kelly, and they're the kind of cheap the hydro dip ones. Kind of like what I have on the interior. I have that. Them look at the difference. I mean, I didn't know no better. I just bought the car, so I mean you can see the difference on the real carbon and that fake carbon. So I don't know no better. I just got those, so these are gonna go right over. Alright, so these are gonna go just like this, just for the passenger side. Get a little snug fit.
Really got it.
Just like that. So, of course, once you get the tape on there, we're gonna put some tape on here, around the edges, and probably put one right across the middle.
I would put the tape on the mirror right here.
Put one here and here?
No. Put it on here.
Yeah.
On the piece of tape right here on this line, and then.
Oh, okay, and then the rest on here.
Yeah, and then the rest on there.
Gotcha. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's how that's gonna work. Check the other side, make sure it fits. But yeah, man. I mean, get the tape on there. God, so Cuzzo just put some. What you put on here, Cuzzo?
Adhesive promoter.
Adhesive promoter. So that's gonna make it.
That'll make the double-sided tape stick.
It's gonna make it stick better.
They ain't gonna come off. When you want to take it off, those things.
You gotta let it dry or what?
Yeah, let it sit for a little bit, air dry a little bit.
You said what? If I want to take it off?
So when you get ready to take them off, you have to use a heat gun to bust the the double-sided tape. You know, if not, you're gonna break those trying to take them off. Stuff works good.
All right. Well, you heard it here first. So I got that on there. Gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna cut some.
That's a Bag Slam Bros exclusive.
we're gonna cut some tape up here and tape it around here. We gotta come inside. It's cold as hell. So once this is on there, we should be good to go. So these guys do actually sell the mirror caps. They also sell those interior pieces. No, I'm not sponsored, but I'm just saying. If you're looking for any kind of carbon fiber for your Civic, I think it's like Civics and Accords, right?
Yeah.
For
is
like
that what, Xgen or something?
no, Synth Carbon.
Synth Carbon there.
Yeah, they saw the interior pieces, the ones I just showed you with the what's it called, that fake, what'd you say, hydro dip?
Hydro dip.
They saw that natural carbon. They saw that, the mirrors, the pillar covers, which I want to get, and I also want to get the what is that thing called? The ones that go above the.
What?
The ones that go above the sun, the rain guards, what is it called?
Oh, yeah, the
they're like rain guards, yeah, the ones they're all carbon. I've seen them for the Civic, but I haven't seen them for the Accord. I want to get that as well.
About,
yeah. Cause man, that silly ass face, man.
Because he's smiling at you like while he's recording. What?
I don't know why Vic's recording. I mean, smiling. But anyways, yeah, they saw all that stuff. So if you're looking for anything for your Accord, we'll put the link down below. Or actually, my brother put the link down below and make it happen, Vic.
What link?
For Synth Carbon.
Oh yeah, just send it to me.
Yeah. You got a razor blade? You got surgical scissors.
Come on now,
Not too thick, it's thin.
Just get the
way she likes it. Thin, not thick.
The tape.
Yeah, cause look at the weave. Let me see. Turn around. Ooh. That's sick. Cameraman.
So I guess right now we're just gonna tape it up.
Another piece of it.
Man, cause all these pants are beautiful colors or
Yeah, they match the car.
reflective.
They match the car. I'm not sponsored either. It's just like earlier.
I know, we were talking about like
We're
a
like
work
giving
firm
out-
or something. Hey, you can sponsor me if you want. So I'm just wiping it down with some alcohol swabs.
Alright, you're good.
Yep. Okay. What do you think about Guzzle's beard? Another summer beard.
What, man? Feeling like Iron Man these days. Woo! Shit. Oh! Right there, Pillow?
Yeah, you should be.
You want to go with that line right there, right?
Yeah, you should better see that little blue line from what everybody says.
Alright, all the tapes off, boys. Here we go. You got one shot only.
Make it happen, go. How's the bottom look?
I got it with this line right here. This right here goes along with that line. Yeah. Right here, this is the shading for the back. It's going with the line. You know what I mean?
So take it off and do it again?
We're gonna have to redo the whole tape again. Unless you can squeeze it down. Pull it off. It's on that line, cousin. Let's see. Oh, no. You got a heat gun?
Yeah.
Get the heat gun. Yeah.
Alright, boys, so it's the last clip we saw, we messed up. We lined it up up top real quick. I'm not sure how perfect the fitment is on this, you know what I'm saying? So, it's the first time getting them. So, we gotta put it on. When we put it on, we lined it here with the top line first, but the bottom didn't line up.
Yeah.
So, we had to take it off. No big deal.
It's a bitch to get off.
It is a bitch to get off. We use the right tape. So now I'm about to give it a whirl. And hopefully do it right. You going down?
Yeah, because you're showing a shitload of blue right there.
Let me know.
They're covering up. You're on the black now.
Let me know where I need to go.
You need to go about. Let me see where this stop there. This is down all the way.
Just down all the way?
Oh, you're right. You're right, like right on top of the black line, like
I'm
the
good?
factory right there.
What about over here?
Here, you just need to go. You need to come down just a little bit more. I'm gonna put my finger where it's at. Right there.
More?
No, right there.
That's good?
That's good right there. There you go.
Right there.
That's good. That's the fitment.
Oh man, boys, y'all should have seen when we were taking it off.
Should have seen Melly. Cuz off just popped the vein. Got a stick?
Yeah, but
you're not gonna see that though, man, unless you really look at it.
it bothers me though.
I'll put some touch-up paint on it, some touch-up carbon. Yeah, alright, man, that's good. Do the other side.
Cause you know damn well if it was your car, you're like, that's not right. I don't like that.
Yeah, I'll be the same way.
Look,
I'll put some touch-up carbon
let's
on
just
it.
lift it up.
Well, that's when y'all were pulling it, bro.
Warm it up a little bit and push it down. Here.
We're gonna need another piece of tape to put on here.
Here, move this.
Yeah.
Here, move this.
So if you can't push down, if you push down on it, it's gonna crack.
Let me see the heat.
This is how it cracked right now. Oh, it looks sick though.
This way. You know what? Try lining up with this corner first. And then line the bottom up, and then we'll come.
You gotta come more, B.
You gotta come forward more. Maybe like, see, this goes right about there. That's where you want to be if you're lined up with that line.
¿Lo puedes calentar de acá afuera, mijo? There you go. Poquito.
You stop here?
Yeah, but
No?
I don't think the tape is even there. That's why, maybe. There's no tape. The tape ain't holding it. How's it look up top?
The top looks perfect.
Does it need to come forward or does it need to
It
push?
needs to go down.
Just need to push down on it.
What about here?
It's nice.
No.
No?
There's a gap. See that gap?
Oh, because you haven't pushed down on it yet.
Push down right here.
Like that.
Push down right in here.
Okay. Yeah, careful, that's hot.
Push it down. ¿Le ponen otro tape, mijo?
Right there.
No, ya tiene bastante.
Now push this down. It should go forward.
Yeah, like that, B.
There you go.
This is lined over here?
Yeah.
Or is there a gap?
You got a blue gap.
Barely. No, that's how it is right here.
See, now you're good right there. How's the bottom though? Is it gapping out?
A little bit.
See, it's the pressure on it. It has too much pressure.
That's got to be it, bro.
Maybe when it warms up in the spring,
I'll
shake it more. It's just cold right now. The cold's not helping me either.
No, it's, I mean, I understand these should be snug, but it just,
It's a little too snug.
I don't like it for shit. Alright, boys, so we attempted this side a little bit more than that side. Probably about, what, 3-4 times? So we had to take it off, put it on, take it off, put it on. It just, these things are so snug, man. And they're so, the carbon is real fragile on it. So anything you do, you put pressure on it, one side is too much pressure, it'll start to crack. And you can see right here. Look, I mean, I don't know how good the camera picks it up, but, you know, it's already kind of cracked already like that. I'm not sure if it came like that or if that was us putting it on, but I mean, you can't really see it. If you look at it from this side, you know, you gotta really, you know.
You gotta zoom in.
Yeah. And, but yeah, man, everything else, I mean, it is snug, so it's kind of hard to put them on there. Like I said, that's my experience. I'm not sure about somebody else's experience. I can't speak for them, but for me, it's real snug, real fragile. They got to line it up real good first time or keep trying over and over. But for this how it fits, feels good right along the black line, the bottom, and then over the top. So, other than that, I mean, they do look sick.
Yeah. Wish there was a little more sunshine, but
Yeah.
this one looks real good.
Yeah.
Be alright.
It'll be alright. Alright guys, so yeah, I mean that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Probably our next video will probably be LST, right?
Yeah.
LST.
I know they're probably wondering about that.
Oh, I
But I don't know. We say something about later.
Yeah, I'm on stockies now. Stock wheels back on the 19s. I did get rid of the Ferratas. I sold them for, you know, okay prices, some other guy, but I do have some wheels coming. That's all I'm gonna say. I do have some wheels coming up. I'm not sure, sometime maybe in March, but I'll keep y'all posted, of course. But I am gonna set the 3-piece wheels. So yeah, for now we're on that. We got a broken lip. I'm gonna have to order a new one before the show, and we got those carbon pieces on there for now. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hope you guys like that little mod on the record, and keep on watching. Sauce.